All right, we are back, and let's just jump right into our quiz. So number 1 says, which shows the make 10 way to solve 8 plus 7? So we have 8 plus 7. We know that 7 breaks off into 2 plus 5. We can bring our 8 over. And then 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So we broke our 7 into a 2 and a 5. We made our 10 with 8 and 2, and then we solved the problem. So for our problem, if you look at the third answer, it says 8 plus 2 plus 5 is 15. Let's move on to number 2. Which is the fact family needed to make a 10 in the equation 7 plus 7? So we have 7 plus 7. And it's asking me which fact family can I use in order to make a 10? Well, since they're both 7s, I only need to worry about one fact family. So I'm going to write down all the fact families for 7. We have 0 plus 7, 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5, and 3 plus 4. Well, what I notice is that 3 and 7 make 10. So I'm going to break down 7 into 4 plus 3, move my 7, and then 3 plus 7 is 10. We still have our 4. 4 plus 10 is 14. So our answer is 14. And we use 3 plus 7, 4 plus 3, to make our 10. So let's take a look. 6 plus 1, that wasn't it. 2 plus 5, nope. Number 3, 3 plus 4. Yep, that's what we did. 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, or 4 plus 3. So your answer to the second question is number 3. Let's move on to our final question. All right, let's do number 3. Which shows the make 10 way to solve 17 minus 9? So we have 17 minus 9. Well, I know that 9 breaks out into 7 and 2. So I bring my 17 down. I have 17 minus 7 minus 2. 17 minus 7 is 10. Minus 2 equals 8. So let's see if any of those fit. We have 17 minus 7 minus 2 equals 8. There we go. We found our answer. It's number 1. Just to double check though, because on a multiple choice problem, you want to check every answer. Let's look. 17 minus 5 minus 4, none of those make 10. 17 minus 8 minus 1, none of those make 10. 17 minus 9, that doesn't make 10. That's just straight up to 8. So we know that our answer was number 1. Okay, that ends our quiz. I have a read aloud coming out later today, so look forward to that. And I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.